Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. In today's video I want to share another backdrop with you guys, and this one is very affordable, I am using only construction paper and some hot glue. That's about it. Also, I learned this flower when I was still in high school, and I graduated high school 9 years ago, so this is like a major throwback type of a deal and type of a backdrop. So if you want to see how I made this backdrop and what's going on, then stay tuned and let's get to it. For this DIY, I would need big construction sheets of paper. I bought this at Staples, and that pack had 100 sheets of construction paper, and the size of this paper is 12 inches by 18 inches. Take one sheet of construction paper, cut out a big circle out of this whole sheet of paper. And what I like to do is cut and then start spiral out of this paper. Your spiral, leave this base for your flower to be glued on. My base is about 2 inches, 2.5 inches wide. So when your spiral is ready, get your beginning of your spiral and start rolling your paper. Start rolling pretty tightly, and when you get to the end of your flower, the roll by itself will get looser, so start rolling. As soon as you get to the base of your flower, kind of rest your flower where it needs to be glued and lightly let your rose go, but control it because it can unroll and you would have to roll it again. Just lightly. There we go. Keep playing with your rose and kind of twist some of the layers around, help the rose loosen up a little bit. I like what I see right here. Maybe I'll loosen up just a little more for the outer layers to be more out and more looser, but it's up to you. I love to hold my rose just like that and then glue one side at a time. And press your petals layers into your base to make sure every single layer is glued. If some of the layers are not going to glue to the base, it's not the end of the world. The rose will still hold, just to make sure it's glued to the base good enough for the rose to hold its shape. Okay, I'm pretty happy with my rose, but I still want to trim this base just a little bit because it's sticking out too much. There we go. Looks so much better. I am done rolling all of my roses. Here they are. I made 99 roses. I think I took one of the paper sheets and used for something else. They're supposed to be 100, but now it's 99. So I'm pretty excited to go and make this backdrop. I am pinning my roses like usual on a pin with a pearl on top. So I'm going from the very bottom, going through the paper, and I'm ready to pin. I'm done pinning all of my roses to the fabric, and I think it makes a really cute and unique backdrop idea. I made and used all 99 roses. I also had some of the leaves already cut out from my previous DIY backdrop, one of the backdrops, and I decided to add some of the leaves next to some of the roses. Here how it looks. I think it's very cute and very different as well, and incredibly affordable. I used some of my lights in the back. You can choose any lighting that you want if you will be using any lights and uplighting, or you don't have to use any uplighting. It's all up to you. It looks good with or without lights. I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright you guys, so this is my major throwback to high school backdrop DIY for you guys. In the comments down below, let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative, awesome, amazing backdrops and other DIYs. Alright you guys, I hope you have a good one, and I will see you back in my next video. Bye bye.